welcome to this first PHP screencast. A few months ago I was learning Ruby on Rails, and one of the things I found very helpful was Ruby screencasts. And I noted that there wasn't anything like this for PHP, so I decided in the best traditions of open source, I decided to do my own. So first of all, this first screencast, all I'll do is we'll set up a development environment for PHP, just to show you how easy it is to do and what's involved. The development environment for PHP is what's called WAMPs, stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Obviously Mac and Linux is also catered for, as well as Windows machines. As you can see, there's quite a few different varieties of stacks, as they're called, that are available. The one we'll use is move AMP. As you can see, the program itself is very easy to download. Just click on the relevant link, newest version, and download the zip file. As you can see, it's only 16 meg in size, so it shouldn't take too long. We'll save it to the desktop so that we can see where it is. Unlike a lot of programs, move AMP is actually a portable application, which means that there's no installing. All I have to do is just download this zip file, and we will unzip it. Okay, so we'll download the program. As soon as it's downloaded, scan for viruses. We will be able to use it. All you need to do, as I say, is just unzip the program and zip it. Program, and as you'll see, we have an icon on the desktop, which is just a folder. This of course can be anywhere, it doesn't have to be on the desktop. Inside there you'll see one directory and one file. This is actually the server itself, so we just double click on that, and as you notice down here in the corner we have an additional program launched. Obviously Windows Security Alert, because we're a service, so we'll unblock that, and then we can, as you can see, it's actually in French. It's because MoveNI is actually a French program, but as you can see, we're now in localhost and everything's running fine. As you can see, this is all set up for a CMS called Joomla. This is because this particular stack is designed as a Joomla server, so that it's easy for development of templates and plugins, etc. for this CMS. But that doesn't matter. We can use this stack for normal PHP as well as for this CMS. First thing we'll do is just create a little hello world program. It's strangely named the var directory, and then the www directory. As you can see here, what's mirrored on the server. We can make a new directory here. Let's call it hello. And when we refresh the browser, there it is. You'll notice that it's also added hello/administrator. That's a quirk of this particular stack, and it's, as I say, it's because it's generally set up for Joomla. Let's write our first PHP script. All we need to do is right click, open the new file, and start typing. Okay, the first and the last lines tell PHP that this is the part of the web page that it should be interested in, and the second line, as you can possibly guess, just echoes the phrase "Hello World" to the browser. What actually happens is, when you request a PHP file, Apache sees and notices it's a PHP file, and rather than just displaying it directly, asks PHP to translate it for it. So PHP runs off and translates the file, comes back with some HTML, which then the Apache then serves to your browser. So let's save this as index.php, and there we have index.php. And since we go to the directory, we see "Hello World." If you look at the source code for this file, you'll see it's just "Hello World." It differs from what we've written. Because PHP has translated the echo into just an echo. Okay, that's all for this episode. Take care, and I'll see you soon.